we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of GEVEELIFE Electric Grease Gun, 2025 upgraded, 2-in-1 design with 2x 4000 mAh batteries. Consists of the following features: cordless freedom and dual mode operation. Experience hassle-free greasing with our cordless electric design that eliminates manual pumping. Switch instantly between two operating modes with a single button, perfect for tractors, trailers, RVs, trucks, and heavy machinery. Save up to 50% maintenance time compared to manual grease guns. Ultimate access and visibility. Conquer tight spaces with our 39.4-inch flexible hose plus 90 degrees swivel coupler, fits lawnmower rims, zerks, and hard-to-reach fittings. The built-in LED work light illuminates dark areas under vehicles or in garages, no more guesswork during nighttime or low-light repairs. Marathon battery performance. Includes two industrial-grade 4000 mAh batteries, charges 12 plus tractors per charge. Makita battery compatible for professionals who demand zero downtime. Ideal for all-day farm, construction, or fleet maintenance without interruption. 12,000 psi professional power. Dominate heavy-duty greasing with 12,000 psi max pressure and 5.3 ounces per minute flow rate, 3x faster than manual guns. Handles everything from agricultural equipment to bulldozers without clogging. Trusted by farmers, mechanics, and construction crews. Built tough for real work. Heavy-duty aluminum motor withstands job site abuse. Adjustable shoulder strap for comfortable all-day use. Leak-proof design works with bulk grease drums and standard cartridges. IP54 rated against dust/water splashes. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases. Update all day YouTube channel to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.